Hi roses, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an eye look tutorial for this colorful look. It's something very simple but still adds a little something you can try. Let's get into it. Now that I've brought you roses in very close, as you can see, I've already done my eyebrows. They actually look nice or whatever. So first, I'm just going to prime the eyelids. You always want to prime your eyelids with whether it's with concealer or eye primer. You just want to take away the discoloration in your eyes and just have the best base for the eyeshadow we're going to be putting on. I'm going to be using the Ruby Kiss 3D contour palette. Yeah, I don't know what I did, just sorry guys. I'm just gonna be taking this shade and this shade. And to blend out my concealer, I'm just gonna be taking this MSQ brush. It's kind of like a thick, dense brush. I don't know if it's dense, but it's like a nice brush you can blend out. I'm going to be blending out my concealer with, so. So now that I have blended out my concealer, I'm going to set my lids. You can set your lids with either eyeshadow or setting powder or powder. Just set your lids. I would say set your lids with eyeshadow because I've heard how powder takes away the pigmentation, but whatever works for you. And for today's video, we're going to be using the Eagle Palace makeup palette. Basically this big thing, and I'm going to be using the eyeshadow section of it, which is basically this guy. Yes, I know that's like a lot, but yeah. And for the first, just to set my lid, I'm just gonna take these two shades, and again I'm gonna take that same MSQ brush and set my lids with it. So now that the lids are set, we can begin playing with the color. I'm going to take this bright blue shade, and I'm just going to use another MSQ brush. You want like a brush that can like pack a lot of color but still be able to blend. Mine, this color is kind of stained from my look I did yesterday, but other than the color, you can see how it's shaped and that you can easily just pack a lot of color but be also able to blend. Brushes like this are perfect for multiple uses. So I'm just going to take this blue-ish color, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it up here and go in the corner and just press it. And what you want to do is you want to take the color and press it almost up to your eyebrow, but not exactly. And this color is like appearing very greenish. Yeah, now that I'm realizing, I don't know why. But honestly, it fits with the whole scheme of the look, so I don't mind it. But you just want to take like a bluish color, or if you want to follow exactly what I'm doing, a green. And you want to keep building the color up till you get the amount of pigmentation you want. I'm trying to get the most pigmentation, so I'll just be continuously blending and packing on the color. And you don't want to take this color too far onto your lid. This is kind of like a third or a half of the lid, and you are good. And you guys can see how it's not actually all the way up into my lid, but it's very close. Yes, you want to go above your usual crease line. I know a lot of my hooded eye girls, you guys don't really have creases, but you also just want to make sure you want to go above. so we can still see the color. As you can see, when I go up like that, you can still see the color. And I'm just gonna go in one more time just for more pigmentation. Now we're going to take the same color, well, not the same color, the same brush, and I'm going to use that kind of like the other side, and I'm going to go in with this purple kind of like indigo color and basically put it on the rest of the lid. And as I'm putting it on the rest of the lid, you kind of want to match it up to where we put the original color, so we can kind of get the same shape and not have two differing shapes. So now that I've applied the purple color, I am just going to take the remaining product and I'm just kind of going to the center where the colors meet and just blend them together so you can get a seamless blend. Okay, just a very seamless blend. And now I'm just going to use this Profusion brush. It came with a highlighter and contour kit, and I'm going to take this like pink color. I'm going to take a little bit of it and just kind of put it in the center of where the colors meet. Just place it there, and then I'm going to go with the same brush and blend it together. I'm not going to pick up the pink too much because I feel like it might just ruin the color scheme, but all you need to do is just pick it up once, place it, and just blend. And now, as you can see, we've kind of like lost the green. It's just overwhelmingly purple. So I'm just gonna go back. And just re-emphasize this blue. And as I'm going to re-emphasize it, you want to make sure to blend in the colors together again. Okay, I'm going to leave it there before I mess it up. For the inner corners, I'm going to mix this kind of like green, ashy green to me, and this blue color. Just mix those two together and just place them in my inner corner. Wow. You see how pretty that is? Just take them, follow the shape, and you get that pop of color, which looks just stunning and just really brings the look all together. Wow, I love this look. I was experimenting one day and I created this and I was like, yeah, sister, it just pulls the look all together. I'm gonna do my other eye and do my whole face makeup, and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, roses, now that I've done my full face, sorry for hearing noise in the background. People are doing some construction or leaf blowing, I don't know, but just sorry for the background noise. But now that I've done my full face, I was thinking we could take this up to the next level. So let's do something under our eyes. So basically I'm gonna take the blue color again, and basically put this in like the inner corner part of your under eye area, and I'm just gonna keep building it up until I get the pigmentation I want. You see? And then I'm gonna go with that purple indigo shade and do it on the rest. And then I'm just gonna go over and blend those two together. Whoa. Whoa. And basically you just want to do the other eye. And to also pull this look together, I'm going to go in with the same shimmer colors and basically put them and connect them to the bottom. Yeah. So everything just ties together. Wow, okay. We did this full look. I am honestly so proud of myself for just experimenting with this color and just getting here. Wow, I'm just really loving it. But yeah, thank you roses for watching and trying to attempt. Well, I hope you tried it. You should always try a little bit of color because it adds a little brightness in your life. And even though this is like a colorful look, it's not something that's complicated. We're doing like these creases, cause girl, I'm really struggling with that myself. But I'm happy with this look achieved. Hope you guys enjoyed and were entertained. Have a nice day.